Bitcoin just shattered the $120,000 mark, reaching an all-time high, and it's not just FOMO driving the price up. With US lawmakers kicking off a massive legislative push dubbed Crypto Week, the stage is being set for a regulatory framework that could reshape the entire industry. In this video, I'll break down what's fueling Bitcoin's new record, what Crypto Week actually means, and how it could impact you, whether you're hodling or just getting started. Let's dive in. After weeks of building momentum, Bitcoin has officially crossed the $120,000 threshold, smashing through previous highs and shocking analysts across Wall Street. So, what's behind the surge? Institutional buying has returned. Hard. Major players like BlackRock and Fidelity have increased BTC exposure. ETFs have seen record inflows. In fact, over $1.5 billion poured in last week alone. And with inflation cooling and rate cuts expected in late 2025, risk-on assets like Bitcoin are back in favor. But it's not just technicals. There's a political spark lighting this rally. This week, Congress has launched what insiders are calling Crypto Week, a coordinated legislative blitz focused on digital assets. 3 major bills are on the table: the Financial Innovation and Technology Act, which would give the CFTC more power over crypto, the Stablecoin Regulation Act, pushing for clear guidelines around USDC, USDT, and future CBDCs, the Blockchain Clarity Act, finally separating utility tokens from securities in the eyes of the law, the goal, to bring legal clarity that could unlock trillions in institutional investment and protect retail traders like you from another FTX-style disaster. As Senator Cynthia Lummis put it, this is the most important week for crypto legislation in U.S. history. For investors, if these bills pass, expect a more stable, regulated environment, which Wall Street loves. Bitcoin could be on its way to $150,000 or higher by the end of the year if this momentum holds. But be cautious. If the legislation is too strict, especially on stablecoins or DeFi, we could see short-term volatility. And altcoins may get caught in the crossfire depending on how the SEC reacts. The takeaway? We're entering a new phase, the regulated bull run. Bitcoin's breakout isn't just hype, it's a reflection of growing legitimacy and global integration. If you're in crypto, you can't afford to ignore what's happening in Washington right now. Hit that like button if you're bullish, subscribe for the latest crypto updates and analysis, and drop a comment. Where do you see Bitcoin going next? This is not financial advice, but it is a financial wake-up call. Stay sharp.